Well, so my prior experience in working for a company where I was, over safety training and safety compliance, it really gave me the understanding, breadth of knowledge of, industry standards, what companies are required to do. State law mandates certain things of all companies. Here's what you've got to do when you're hiring an employee. You got to run a simple background check, make sure that they're not a felon and things like that. Those are the minimum safety standards that companies got to live or die by, right? They stand on those. And then companies come in and create their own policies and procedures that encapsulate those and then oftentimes elevate those, right? And so just because you've got a minimum requirement under state law, companies can't fall below it, but they can go above it in their own policies and procedures and requirements of their employees. So it gave me a real breadth of, what the industry standards are and a real knowledge of minimum safety standards for the industries. And then also what companies do, because, believe it or not, everybody wants to be the best and everybody markets that they're the best and everybody wants to portray that they're the best. So they create these standards, internal policies and procedures that elevate what they do. Hey, we're going to be the safest, right? We're not going to just do minimum, we're going to do maximum. And with that's spilled over into my practice in personal injury law, right? I'm able to look at any case and say, are you complying with at least the minimum standards? And if you've got standards that are elevated, are you complying with those standards? We hammer a lot of big business on failing to comply with minimums as well as what they create internally. And through our jury experience, our trial experience, focus group experience, we've learned that if you create a policy and procedure, you have to follow your policy and procedure. There's no exceptions, especially when it comes to safety rules and safety of employees, customers, patrons, whatever it might be.